Wow! That's great! What's wrong with the car? Call to action. Watch the video, subscribe, like, share, and comment. Meet the SG-75 machine unleashing a roar of raw power. Effortlessly crushed tree stumps up to 4 feet wide. Fast, efficient, unstoppable. Equipped with a 74 horsepower diesel engine, Tier 4 compliant. Powerful yet meets strict emission standards. Save fuel, save the planet. The SG-75 is both eco-friendly and reliable. Handles massive stumps with ease. Plus, it reduces harmful emissions every step of the way. Watch the power of the Primex PT 300 in action. A high-performance tool designed for efficiency. Easily handles trees and shrubs even on tough terrain. No challenge too great. But then a dangerous twist. A tree felling nearly turned into a disaster. The tree fell off course, completely missing the planned direction. Thankfully, no injuries. Everyone escaped unharmed. The saw roared to life. A worker tackled the massive trunk of a giant tree. The sound echoed through the silent forest. Think trees aren't dangerous? Think again their potential hazards. Handle with extreme care. The Cap 309 machine roared loudly. Its power undeniable. The noise wasn't just strong, it radiated energy and strength. In Duncansville, the Caterpillar to 990 roars to life. Mulching the forest with precision. It's a smart way to protect the soil while ensuring sustainable forest ecosystem development. The machine sways like a jelly donut on a trampoline. You can almost feel the tension through the screen. Will he pull it off? Everyone holds their breath, eyes fixed on the action. Introducing Pilatos TM1200 and TB900 machines, leaders in firewood processing technology. The TM1200 features a powerful 22 kilowatt motor. It boasts an incredible 22 tons of cutting force. Handles logs up to 47 inches in diameter with ease. These machines excel not just in capacity, but also in precision. Maximize productivity like never before, perfect for high-volume firewood cutting. Handles operations with ease and efficiency. Enter the Vermeer AX 19-branch cutter, a true powerhouse. This machine cuts entire trees, from branches to trunk, in one go. It reduces the space trees occupy, creating manageable, easy-to-handle pieces. Meanwhile, the Montejo transport team in Colombia takes on The massive challenge of moving a colossal machine this video showcases. Another jaw-dropping transport operation, executed by their expert team. The scale is simply unbelievable. Introducing the Oshkosh M1070, a heavy military tractor with a massive 60-ton towing capacity and a 500 horsepower engine. Also featured is the Faymanville Highwaymax, a heavy-duty truck capable of towing up to 100 tons with a lifted suspension. It charged straight up the slope, effortlessly pulling the massive load. It was as if the weight didn't exist. The power and traction were simply extraordinary. Moving an 86-meter-long, 300-ton beam was no small feat. But for the Calvert, Alabama project team, it was just another day's work. Stay tuned as the video reveals the sophisticated techniques behind the scenes. The video unveils precise techniques and specialized trailers with a capacity of 400 tons. An advanced load balancing system ensures safe and efficient transportation. It's not just safe, it's effective. A masterclass in the art of heavy goods transportation. Setting up this vehicle is a true testament to the strength and resilience of loggers. Oh my God, are you serious? I can't believe it. Using this for commercial purposes is absolutely illegal. Plows are notoriously difficult machines to control, but with skilled hands and precise driving, even the most complex operations are mastered with ease. It's awe-inspiring to witness such expertise. I couldn't help but think, is this a truck or a boat? Watching it glide effortlessly through the muddy swamp, it glided as if floating on water, creating a sense of mystery.
Awesome.
There was something strange and captivating about that movement. The Tech 1233
The Tech 1233
shovels
ADT shavers truly
deliver
provide a
an
great
unparalleled
experience.
With 330 horsepower and a 50-ton capacity, it effortlessly navigates all terrains, boasting a crane length of 13.3 meters. It smoothly lifts massive earth blocks. The result is a breathtaking and refined performance, with years of expertise in the logging industry. I can't help but be amazed by this Euro 4 320. With its impressive 210 horsepower, 6-cylinder diesel engine, it handles effortlessly. Call to action: watch the video, subscribe, like, share, and comment.